Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to this session. Today, I'm very glad to have this share with you guys. It's about the technology of continuous data protection, in other words, CDP, and how to apply it in OpenStack. My speech will include the following sections. Firstly, I will give an introduction to my company. Then talk about the current data protection solutions in OpenStack and their gaps. Next is an overview of CDP. And the last one is our work, which means what we have done in OpenStack with CDP. Okay, firstly, who we are. Junli Li was founded in 2010 and has been offering a public cloud since then. It has 20 plus data centers in global and more than 10,000 of physical servers. Data centers located in Beijing, Shanghai, Guangzhou, Shenzhen, and Hong Kong are interconnected by optical fiber. Okay, now let's get into the point. There is going to be several slides about the current data protection solutions for OpenStack. These slides introduce the current backup APIs in OpenStack. Nova has the image snapshot API, which enables tenants to take a live backup of the root volume. And Cinder has the volume snapshot API to enable take a backup of all kinds of volumes. In addition, Cinder also has defined backup and restore APIs. Though these APIs are very useful in implementing a total backup solutions, they have some gaps. Firstly, they are complex. Nova and Cinder use different backup services to stream backup image, where Nova uses Glance and Cinder uses Swift or Ceph. Another gaps, they both cannot provide a consistent backup for applications, such as for virtual machine. To consolidate these backup APIs, OpenStack community has ended a project which is called Rockstar. Rockstar's goal is to provide a whole comprehensive backup solution for OpenStack. Okay, this picture shows how Rockstar works. It could provide a total backup solution for an instance, including its boot volume and the data volume. Furthermore, Rockstar supports incremental backup. When using incremental backup, only new changes since the last backup would be uploaded to a Swift endpoint. Okay, after talking about the current data protection solutions for OpenStack, I have a question. How to restore a volume or a virtual machine after a disaster occurs? Based on these data protection solutions, apparently the best way is to restore it to the latest backup point, because they only can restore to the existing backup point. Okay, if we choose the latest backup point, now a new question comes. Because data since the latest backup point will be lost, what if these data are very important to customers? What if they want to restore just to a point before the disaster happens? Such as the previous second. Okay, the following I will give a solution to these questions. Yeah, it is CDP. Firstly, what is CDP? CDP is an existing technology which can capture every write-L request as it occurs, and then protect a copy in an independent location. Theoretically, it can restore to any point in the time. Just like this picture shows, When every write request comes in production host, it will be captured and then protected into CDP repository, which is called CDP data. And each CDP data has a metadata. Now, how to use this technology? OpenStack, CDP. This technology can be applied based on a block device, a field, and application. In OpenStack, we use it with single volume, which means block device. Okay, the following slides will talk about what we have done with CDP in OpenStack. This work is complex. It contains several projects, including Cinder Client, Nova, LibreWatch, and QMill. Since most work are done in QMill, so this slide will show the difference between before and after our work. Okay, this picture is original LPath in QMill. When write request comes, it will be streamed into the storage system through block driver. And after ending CDP module, it will be also streamed into the CDP repository concurrently. This picture will give a detail of CDP workflow. It's divided into two parts. The left one is called CDP host, which is responsible for storing source image and capturing write IO request. And the right one is called CDP server, at which the version of reference data and every record about the write will be saved. Okay, now I will show how to backup and restore by this service. Once CDP service on an image starts, it will create a snapshot and then copy this snapshot in an asynchronous manner to CDP server, which is called version of reference data. In other words, it is the base image. And then, once the virtual machine starts running, it begins to capture every write IO request, and then judge whether CDP service on this image is on or off. If off, it will be streamed into the source image directly, just like before. If the CDP service is on, it will be streamed into a journal. We call it image journal concurrently. Okay, now this is the job what CDP host done. Next, let's talk about the job of CDP server during the backup. It will receive every journal entry from the image journal and then store the data in CDP data object. And each data has a metadata also stored on CDP server, which includes the time when it happens, the location in the source image, and so on. At the bottom of this picture, it shows how to restore an image. It's very simple. Based on version of reference data and metadata and data, we will get the restored image. Okay, the last one is how to use this service by command line. We have provided REST API and command line. You can use CDP start to start service on a volume, and use CDP stop to stop this service on volume. Then CDP restore is used to restore a volume at the specified time Administrator must provide the hour, minute, and second. Now the last command is CDP collect. It is used to delete the history data on the CDP repository. It has the same argument with CDP restore. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much.